Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to upload your site to your server and configure your server so everything displays correctly. Now last time, we were just about to press the publish button, and this time we're going to press it. Once you press the publish button, you will see a dialog box that looks something like this. You will see a box for FTP server, and then also a username and password. For the FTP server, if you use cPanel for your hosting, then it should just be ftp.yourwebsite. And for username and password, use the same username and password you use to log into cPanel, and that should work correctly. If you click the options, you can see other settings, and you might want to change these if you have custom FTP servers and FTP accounts. But if not, click Next, and then that should verify. Adobe Muse should verify all that, and you should see this dialog box. The site URL box is very important. What it does is it tells you, it configures the entire template and puts in a lot of links that, if you don't enter correctly here, causes some trouble down the road. So if you upload your site to the root of your template, then just enter your the root of your site, then just enter your website. But for our example, I'm going to upload it onto a folder called Clash of Clans. You will want to you will want to type in the corresponding folder on your server that matches your site URL. In my case, it is public html/appwebsitetemplate.com/clash-of-clans. Just to be safe, you should really go to your hosting panel dashboard and go to your file manager, and then navigate to the correct directory and copy the path. I think I entered it right, but just to be sure, I'm going to paste it. And I did enter it correctly. Great. Now, since it is the first time uploading all the files, you will want to select Upload all the files, and then press OK. And wait a bit for Adobe Muse to validate your website. Check for a bunch of server-side support and upload the pages. Now we just wait. There, almost done. The first time you upload all the files will take a while, but the next time it will be much faster, I promise. And once you have uploaded the required files, Adobe Muse will open up a website, your website, and you should see the template. And it looks great if you have configured your server correctly. Now, for most of you, since this is the first time uploading your website, you will see a bunch of squiggly marks and a bunch of characters out of place, and none of the images will show up. And that is because you have not configured your server correctly yet. So that is what we are going to do next. Navigate to the directory where all your files were uploaded and open up the htaccess file. If you don't see an htaccess file, you will have to go to your cPanel or dashboard, click on File Manager, and then click Display All Hidden Files or .dot files. htaccess is a .dot file and it's hidden by default, but once you do that, then you should be able to find it. You should be able to see it. Then double-click on the htaccess file and open it up in Code Editor. In the htaccess file, you can see that there's already something here. Adobe Muse added a few comments. To make our website display correctly, we need to add one line of code. You will find this code in the comments or description section of this video. Once we add this code, which tells our server to render PHP in HTML, we can save it. Just save the file. And then if you go back to your site and refresh it, all the images should show up correctly, and everything should be looking very beautiful.